Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Phantom Wallet for Solana NFTs and tokens, full guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Phantom Wallet website. Click on the download button. Choose the option for your preferred browser. Install the Phantom Wallet extension. Once installed, click on the Phantom Wallet icon in your browser's toolbar. Select Create New Wallet. Review the terms and conditions, then click Continue. Set a strong password for your wallet. Make sure to write down your secret recovery phrase. Store this phrase in a safe place. Confirm your recovery phrase by selecting the words in the correct order. After confirmation, your wallet setup will be complete. You will be directed to your Phantom Wallet dashboard. To add Solana, click on the Deposit button. Select Solana from the list of options. Choose your method for acquiring Solana tokens. Follow the prompts to complete your transaction. Now that you have Solana in your wallet, you can explore NFTs. Visit a marketplace that supports Solana NFTs. Connect your Phantom Wallet to the marketplace. Browse the available NFTs. Select an NFT you want to purchase. Follow the instructions to complete the purchase. Your newly acquired NFT will appear in your Phantom Wallet. To view your tokens, return to your wallet dashboard. Explore your collection and manage your assets. You are now ready to interact with Solana NFTs and tokens efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.